In the scene 5, what we discussed yesterday, someone was asking a question on that. Pre-received at the beginning is the income of current year, but it was received in previous year. And subscription receivable at the beginning is the income of previous year, but received in current year. I'll just give you a note on this. Observe it. Are you able to hear me properly? Huh. Subscription. Beginning. End. Beginning में pre-received income of current year or subsequent year. हो सकता है कि पिछले साल में आपको अगले 3 साल तक का सब्सक्रिप्शन मिल गया होगा. So it is income of current or subsequent year received in previous year. Included in income and expenditure account. Nothing goes to balance sheet except for pre-received for subsequent year. करेक्ट है? समझ आएगा ये कंसेप्ट? पहले मैं समझा लेता हूं, उसके बाद में तुम लोग लिखो. अभी से मत लिखना, अदरवाइज तुम कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे. Then receivable or what you call as outstanding. Income of previous year expected to be received in current year. Correct? Yes. Subsequent year income means received for 2 years together, 3 years together, kind of that. All right? Huh. So income of previous year expected to be received in current year. That is what we call as the receivable or outstanding at the beginning. Correct? Not included in income and expenditure account. If still receivable at end included in balance sheet asset side. Correct? If still receivable at the end, then and only then it will be appearing in the balance sheet asset side. Opening, outstanding and pre-received are from opening balance sheet, which is nothing but closing balance sheet of the last year. Correct. That's right, Mr. Ashutosh. Huh. Now, if it is at the end, which is normally provided in generally provided through additional info, right? Here, I'll just put a connector. जो यहां से यहां जुड़ा है. Pre-received and receivable. If it is pre-received, income of subsequent year received in current year. Correct? Not included in income and expenditure account and shown in balance sheet liability side. Correct? Whereas if it is receivable, it is income of current year not yet received. That means this is not included in receipt and payment account, to be included in income and expenditure account. क्योंकि आपको मिला नहीं है इसका मतलब रिसीट पेमेंट अकाउंट में नहीं आया, पर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर में तो आएगा क्योंकि आपके इस साल की इनकम है, अक्रूवल कंसेप्ट फॉलो करनी है, मैचिंग प्रिंसिपल फॉलो करना है. यस और नो? And at the same time to be shown in balance sheet asset side. करेक्ट? समझ आया तुम लोग को? थोड़ा थोड़ा छापो फिर. But in scene 5, then 3,000 should be included in income and expenditure account. Scene 5, we did it, na? अरे बेटा इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट में तो मैंने पूरे 2,10,000 दिखाए ना. That 2,10,000 already include 3,000 rupees or not? Are you able to understand, Mehek? Shreya? जो मैंने सब्सक्रिप्शन इनकम दिखाई इन द इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट, दैट इज फॉर ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ नॉट, so that will include for the members who have already paid in previous year. Yes or no? Generally provided through additional information. मास्टर की बहुत मजाक उड़ाते हो तुम। Pre-received branch में what is X? X means accept. Accept. No, we don't avoid receipt and payment account. वहीं से तो सारी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है। रुक जाती है, बाकियों को लिखने थे बेटा। ऑफ कोर्स 10 बार नहीं, कम से कम 50 बार जाके आए होते। करेक्ट, सम्यक। तुम्हारा तो एक ही पेज में समा गया होगा ना, मेरे को ऐसे डबल डबल पेजेस लगते हैं, मैं वो साइड में पेज भी नहीं रखता हूँ। श्रेया, in scene 5, the amount of income that I have shown in income and expenditure account is for all 200 and or 2100 members or not, which means that 2,10,000 already include 3 received 3,000 rupees or not. यही तो अभी एक्सप्लेन किया ना बेटा मैंने। Yes, that won't come in the current year income and expenditure account. Absolutely correct, Kushi. no need to do the reverse calculation because वहां पे number of members दिए हुए तुमको already. Even if number of members are given, then also you would add. No, not at all. That's not correct. You check out your answer. That must have not been done. अगर number of member दिए हुए हैं तो you won't add it. You just check it out. तुम confirm करो. There is something wrong that you have done. So is it done for all? The next adjustment that we are supposed to do is with reference to, there's one more aspect of subscription that we are supposed to do yet. You did the calculations with reference to 2 lakh and not with reference to 2,10,000. That's why you added that 3,000 rupees in that. पर उसमें तुमको सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीवेबल कैलकुलेट पहले से करके रखना होता है. वहां सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीवेबल कैसे कैलकुलेट किया तुम लोगों ने? Did you do 2,10,000 minus 2 lakh subscription receivable 10,000? Your balance sheet will never tally if you have done something like that. In that case, in scene 5, if you remember, if you observe, कहाँ गया ये वाला? हाँ. Subscription receivable is 12,000 at the end of the current year. How did you calculate that? If you would solve it as per your 12th standard, can you show me the calculation of that? Can you just tell me the calculation of that? Yes, and I'll just put you on Mehek, M-A-H-E-K. Mehek, you can speak now.
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोल, अगर 12th में सीए सॉल्व किया होता तो तूने कैसे लिखा होता इन इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट?
Sir, we'll consider 2 lakh and then we'll calculate pre-received as adding 3,000 to 2
Correct.
lakh.
Correct.
Yes. Sir, then received during the year for the previous year, as usual, we'll subtract 5,000 and then we'll calculate the final answer.
How much is it? So
Sir,
2 lakh plus 3,000 minus 5,000, that is 1,98,000 is your subscription, is what you want to say?
Yes, sir.
No, because in this case, if you remember, read the question, if you have got 2,100 members paying rupees 100 each, means what? 2,10,000 should be your total income or not?
Yes, sir.
So you are completely ignoring that outstanding income. What about subscription receivable then in that case? Are you people able to understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
In your 12th questions, what they used to do is they used to give the subscription receivable at the end of the year directly. That is nothing but this scene. ये जो हमने अभी किया, this वाला. This is how they would present you the question. And that's why you were able to solve it comfortably.
Yes, sir.
फॉर्म 12 का क्या रॉन्ग है बेटा? 12 का रॉन्ग नहीं, 12 का कुछ रॉन्ग नहीं है भाई साहब, प्लीज डू नॉट से समथिंग लाइक दैट. They are not telling you anything wrong. The only point of difference is there they are asking you the simpler questions. One such question is given in the textbook. और उसका आंसर क्या लिखा है रिद्धि? Yes, Tanishka, 12,000 will be the subscription receivable. For that, you need to add that again in the income and expenditure account or not, beta? So instead of showing that khichdi in the income and expenditure account, why not to show that 2,10,000 directly into the income and expenditure account? Yes, if the members are given, you have to first calculate the subscription receivable. You check out the 12 questions that you have solved. Don't get confused unnecessarily. Not all, Mr. Gaurav Patel, not all 12th standard concepts are wrong, please. There are certain parts which they have not given you correctly or they have given you the insufficient information. Does not mean they are completely wrong. Accrued income appears in income and expenditure account as well as in the balance sheet asset side. हाँ, तो जो मेंबर्स वाला क्वेश्चन 12th स्टैंडर्ड में दिया हो, चेक करो तुमने इसी तरह से सॉल्व किया होगा जैसे हमने सॉल्व किया. अरे केतन यार, why you people are unnecessarily trying to create a kind of scene here? I don't know. Discount on creditor is a wrong concept. This is what I have also mentioned earlier because it violates the concept of conservatism. It is also given in the ICI module. What you do with that? Have you seen the ICI module on the given by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India? Even in that, they have mentioned discount on creditors. Then that is just a concept. It violates the concept of conservatism. That's why we have not discussed it. Why you people want to present? Yes, मुझे बहुत कुछ पता है. I don't understand this point. We'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.